Hey Siri. What's the weather going to be like in Istanbul, Turkey today? High of 87. Great. Today we are going bead shopping in Istanbul. I recently started making my own jewelry and I've kind of developed a bit of a hyperfixation, I guess. Here's the thing about Istanbul. It's hot, but also it's like a very religious country, so I try very hard to respect that and dress modestly while I'm walking around in the streets of Istanbul. So I try to keep my shoulders covered and I try to keep the length pretty long, but also try not to die of the heat. I'm going to attempt to find something like that today. Okay, I feel like I wear this outfit all the time, but it's one of my favorite things. I get so many compliments on this little crochet vest thing that I got at a really cheap, like China resale jewelry store in my hometown. I probably paid like 10 bucks for it, but I wear it and I get so many compliments and I love that there's multiple colors in it. I can wear all sorts of different things with it. I'll wear one of the necklaces that I made. This is just freshwater pearls with these green glass beads and then this really pretty iridescent blue beads in the middle. And I put it together with a toggle clasp. I actually like putting the toggle clasp in the front. I know it's meant to go in the back, but these are like so big and chunky that I kind of like featuring it like that. Now we're gonna be doing a fair amount of walking today. So I'm gonna wear my most comfortable walking shoes, which are my Adidas Gazelles. These are the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. Now, I'm not gonna worry about putting on makeup or anything because it's gonna be so hot that I'm just gonna sweat it off. I'm just gonna wear a pair of sunglasses and call it a day. No makeup today, just a little bit of sunscreen and a prayer. Do I wear a hat? Sometimes I like to wear a hat to protect my face. This one I got from the Siemens Club in Brest, France when we were in dry dock. I feel like this just screams American tourist a little too much in a way that I don't necessarily wanna be doing, especially since I'm gonna be potentially having to like barter with people today. I guess this is it. Let's go bead shopping in Istanbul. So I am walking from Galaport, which is where our cruise ship is docked, and making my way towards the Egyptian Bazaar, which is across the famous bridge where all the people fish. Oh my goodness. It's a bit of a busy morning. So tucked behind the Egyptian Bazaar is a huge bead market. That's where I've gotten all of my beads so far and all of my findings. There's one building that's just like shop after shop after shop of like wholesale everything. And you can fill up these itty bitty bags full of whatever you want and then they weigh them by the gram or whatever. And some of the stuff I get like a huge bag and it ends up being like 60 cents. It's insane. See all the men fishing? So where that big mosque is in the background, right here, that's where the Egyptian Bazaar is. And I'm going just behind that. So it's really not a terrible walk from the cruise ship port. You're cruising on a cruise ship that goes to Istanbul and you're a DIY enthusiast girly like me. You can totally come to these markets and get fun beads and stuff. Honestly makes for a way cooler souvenir than what you would find in any of the bazaars here. There's one thing to note though, if you're gonna go do this, no one up there speaks English. The first little store that I went to a couple weeks ago, there was a man who spoke a little bit of English and he basically told me he couldn't sell me anything and to go up 2 floors to the Miyuki, which is where I got everything and that's where I'm going back today. But when I walked in, nobody greeted me or anything, and then when I finally did ask them a question like, do you speak English? They all looked at each other like, no. So I have all of the Turkish language downloaded on Google Translate today, and I'm gonna use that because once you kind of get up there, your cell phone service kind of goes away. So, and I might be brave and like use Google Translate today to ask them, do you have crimp beads? Because I thought I bought them last time, but they were indeed not crimp beads. We're on the hunt for crimp beads today. Now I'm walking under the bridge to get to the other side because that's the side that you have to get to in order to cross the street. Wow, I'm sweaty. Okay, cool. Now I'm turning here and I'm pretty sure it's through here. So I'm gonna do some shopping. I'm gonna put the camera away and I'll come back later with my haul. But here we go. That is where I'm heading. Right there. Goodness me, y'all. Istanbul wears me out. I am a sweaty mess. But it was a successful shopping trip. Got a bunch of stuff from the bead market. Here is my bead haul. So I got these cool white beads, which I actually already had some, but I was running out, so I needed to get some more. I got some smaller freshwater pearls, and I think I got some bigger freshwater pearls as well, which I love these. I got some toggle clasps in gold. I got these, which are really cool. They're like, that you can put charms on them, which I thought was so cute. Some more just like teeny tiny gold beads. I like to use these as spacers. These are the ones that I bought last time that I thought were crimp beads, and they indeed were not. These are itty bitty crimp beads, and I hope that these are big enough for some of the string that I have. If not, it's okay, because I also have a bunch of little pre-made findings. Some more really unique kind of shaped toggle clasp, like the circle part of the toggle clasp. I got 6 of those. And these are the bars that go with them. I got a bunch of seed beads. I got them in just a couple colors that I thought would look good with what I already have. And I got some turquoise beads that I thought were really pretty and fun, because I love playing with turquoise. And these were really fun. These like colorful, various shaped beads. More toggle clasp. Oh, and these. I thought this was really pretty. Like this kind of greenish iridescent color. So yeah, that's my haul. Oh, I forgot to mention these too. I got this like kind of really pretty like lime greeny matte natural looking beads. Okay, that's it. I'm very excited to see what other things that I can make. I've really found this like a very entertaining form of expression. And let me know if you like videos like this. I don't really know how to summarize this video because it's a little bit different than what I've been normally posting, but if you like it and you want to see more tutorials or just random jewelry videos, let me know. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, you know what to do. You're on YouTube. And I hope you have a lovely day.